So today we want to look at relational operators. The relational operators we have in Python and most other programming languages are greater than. The first one here is greater than, followed by less than, followed by greater than or equal to, followed by less than or equal to, followed by equal to. The double equal actually means equal to in programming, while the second one means initialization. For example, let's say we have a name is initialized to Allah. That means name has an initial value of Allah, or is given a value of Allah. So, but if I say name equals Allah, that is name actually is equal to Allah. That is double equal to. So we are still coming back to this. So this is not equal to, the last one here is not equal to, not equal to. So in order to explain this better, let's try to rename our file. We have arithmetic operator here. We have temperature converter here. So go to your project folder, click on arithmetic operator, right click, then you can click on rename, or you click on refactor rename. So let me just click on rename. So we have relational operator. Just click on refactor. Okay. Now to understand this better, let's write a simple guessing game. Let's declare a variable called secret number. Let's say secret underscore number, and let's give it an initial value of 5. Now I want the user to guess this secret number, so I can declare a variable called user guess that will store the guess made by the user. User guess equals, then we have input, so enter, or let's say what is the secret number. What is the secret number? Here I'm expecting the user to write a value or to write a number, and that number will be stored inside the user guess. So we can now compare the user guess with secret number. But don't forget, anything coming from the input or from the user is seen as a string. So we have to convert this to an integer because the secret number is an integer. So for you to be able to compare the two of them, they have to be of the same data type. So let's wrap this with int. So int. Now we can now compare the two. Say if the user guessed, that's what you have guessed, that's what the user entered and stored inside the user guess, equals the secret number. So for example, if I have enter 6, it will say if 6 equals 5. But if I enter 5, it will say if 5 equals 5. So let's say if 5 equals 5, then we'll print your guess is right. Your guess is right. Okay, let's stop there. Let's run our program. What is the secret number? Let me enter 5. So your guess is right. Okay, let's try to look at another relational operator. Let's say greater than. So if the user guess is greater than the secret number, that means the guess is too high. Let's say your guess is too high. Okay, so let's write something that is higher than 5. So what is the secret number? Let me enter 8. So it says your guess is too high. Okay, let's use less than. That means if the user guess is less than 5, you should say your guess is too low. Okay, let's enter something like 2. Your guess is too low. Okay, let's use greater than or equal to. So if your guess is greater than or equal to the secret number, so what do you think we should write? I think we should write your guess may be correct or too high. Okay? Your guess may be correct or too high. Okay? So let's write a number greater than 5, let's say 6. Your guess may be 2, may be correct or too high. So, and then let's have not equal to. Not equal to. So that means your guess is wrong. Once the user guess is not equal to 5, let's say it's 4, let's say it's 3, let's say it's 10, your guess is wrong. So let's input something other than 5. Let's put 1. So your guess is wrong.